last time I told you that I'm gonna add sound in this game, but first I have to fix one thing. Let me show you. Let me test it first. Test and play. When the game is complete, game complete, and take me to this complete win, and if I press escape and then if I press back, it's also that level complete win there. That means the level complete win is not removing, so I have to change the code. And so first I have to open the class of game complete win, this one, selecting edit class, and here I'll make a boolean variable saying public var remove it, and that would be boolean equal to false. And here I will declare, I can make another custom function, but I'll do it here, saying if remove it, that means this boolean is true, then I want to remove this child and also remove this event listener. And here when counter equal to 550, I want this remove it to be true. Okay, if I change it 550 equal to greater than, it will also work. Let me use equality, then if it doesn't, then I'll change it. Okay, so you see here when the counter is 5 and 50, it will this boolean, this remove it boolean will be true. And here I said that when remove it, everything will be removed. Okay, and now here on game complete frame, I'll go on the action panel, and I don't need this remove complete boolean, I'll delete it. Okay, and here I have to delete it too. Okay, and I think I don't need this function, custom function, any longer. Okay, and here if current game complete win dot counter equal to 550, then where is the set timer function? Did I delete it? Okay, sorry. I'll just cut this set timeout function from here and paste it here. When current game complete win dot counter equal to 550, that means this 550, then I don't need this any longer. Then this function will be executing game complete win. That means when it is 550, this level complete win is already removed, it doesn't matter. So when it is 550, it take me to the game over. Okay, and here I have to remove this one. Here when I click that skip button, I need to have a for loop. I'll just copy this and and here I'll change this counter to if I don't need this if condition, so I will just delete it, keeping the set timeout function. And when I click the skip button, I want this current complete win dot remove it. You see, it shows me remove it because this is a public variable and I can access that variable from here. So current game complete win dot remove it equal to be true, and also I want this set timeout function. Quite simple, I think, and I think it will work. Save it, and if I test it, showing an error. Where is the error? Oh, I delete the function what I did here, so I have to delete it and test it, play, and when the game is complete and it taking me to the game complete win, and if I press escape and back and it is removed, now it is working. Okay, let me test it again. I have also changed the text. You see here I have changed the text. You can change yourself. Skip, back, and it is done. And now I'm gonna add sound when I start the game. That means here I want to have a loop sound that will be playing continuously. Then when I start the game, in every stage there will be a sound, a different sound from different stages. So I'm gonna now do this, and now I'm gonna add sound here, and the sound will be playing continuously as long as I am here on the menu. Okay, so I have already downloaded few sounds from Google, and here on my folder inside the maze game I have a folder called sound, and here I have downloaded few sounds, and these are all WAV format, and I'm gonna use one of these sounds for my menu. So I think I should select this one, or I'll select this one for my menu. Okay, so first I have to import that sound on my library. So I'll select file, import to library, and here I'll just select the sound and click open, and here I have got the sound. Now first I have to export this for ActionScript, so right click, properties, and I'll rename this sound by saying menu sound, menu SND, and then go ActionScript and check this export for ActionScript, and also change the name here and click OK. Okay, and I think it is done for now. I will add this sound. So I'll add the sound on my menu. but as the sound will be continuously playing, I need to make it, or I have to export it for ActionScript, but I cannot export it this way. Okay, so I'll just select the rectangle and I'll drag and draw the rectangle and select the rectangle, right click, convert to a symbol and name it menu sound, and then export it for ActionScript and make a package, the similar thing, fbd dot scripts dot menu sound. Okay, it's okay, and then I'll right click and edit class, and you see here I have got class, and I'll save it at the same location where my other classes have been saved. Save, and now I have to type the add event listener added to stage, but I'm not gonna do this. I have other classes, so I'll just copy that class. I'll copy this one, game complete twin, selecting all, Control C and back to the menu, selecting all, Control V, close that other class, and then just change the name should be menu sound. You have to be careful about the spelling. Okay, so copy this one, change it here too on function, and then I don't need all this, so I'll delete it, and I'll also delete this variable here, and then I think it is done. If I test it, I think it is okay. And now here I have already a variable called counter, and here on the enter frame event listener I'll just increase the counter, and I'll type here if counter equal to 5, then I will import the sound, this sound, menu SND. So here I'll type va menu SND equal to be new menu SND. You have to be careful about the spelling. And now here I'll type menu SND, sorry, here okay, menu SND dot play, and if I test this, I should hear some sound. Okay, let's test it. Because I have this movie clip on my stage, and now if I delete it, there will be no sound, you see. So, but one thing, the sound will be play once, okay, but I want it to be playing continuously as soon as it stops. So I will trace the counter and get to understand that how much time I need to replay the sound or restart the sound. So I'll trace counter, and I'll see whether how long the sound plays. Drag the menu sound class, and then I I mistyped here. I should have traced the counter outside of the condition. Sorry guys. And control test. Here the counter is counting. I will use this. Here 550 maybe, or more than 550. So here I'll just type if counter equal to or greater than 550, then the counter will be 0 again, and also counter will be increased. Okay, and if I test it, I have to fix the timing. Test it. It is creating a problem. What is the problem? Sorry, I misspelled here. Counter. Okay, now if I test it, when I increase the counter will start operating. I have to decrease the time here. I will do 40. Okay, if I test it now, make it 30. Let's see. You can increase or decrease the counter. I'll take 535. I think it will be perfect for this sound. Okay, so and now I'll import this menu sound movie clip, not this one, because I have already added this sound inside a movie clip. So here I can either import it here like as I did for this game menu win, but I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna import this menu sound movie clip inside that game menu movie clip. So I'll delete it here, and here on my library I will just select the game menu win, right click and edit class, and when the game menu win added to stage, here I will also add this menu sound movie clip. So I'll type here var menu sound colon menu sound class equal to be new menu sound, and I don't need any position for this sound, so I'll type add child menu sound, and if I test it, it should work. Okay, so control test. if I delete this movie clip, this one, menu sound movie clip, it doesn't matter because I have already made a class for it. Okay, so this class, so if I delete this movie clip by selecting it, delete from the keyboard, and if I play, it should work. I have to remove the sound. So all I have to do is here it should be removed when the menu win removed, but it is not removing because I told you that. Why did I type this remove from stage function? And now I will show you why did I type this remove from stage function. And now when the game menu is removed, I want also this everything should be removed from the world. Here I have created a function, but I didn't create the event listener, but it never shows me an error. So here I have to type add event listener, and it will be event dot enter frame update, and the function update event void. And now I need this function because I will make animation for the buttons, for all of these buttons. So and now here on the menu sound, when this movie clip is removed, I want also it to remove from the stage, from the world, I think, and type here remove, and I don't need to remove it now because nothing here on the interface with listener, but I will also remove this one. Here say remove. I think it will not work, but I will make it work. So save it and test it. So here all I have to do is to just here on the menu sound, I have to type here, I have to input a class here. I'll type import flash dot media dot sound, and then I have to import another class, import flash dot media dot sound mixture. And here when everything is removed, here I'll type sound mixture dot stop all, and it should work now. If it doesn't, then I have to find another way. So test, yes, it is working, and now it is done and it is working fine. I think you have understand what I showed you today, and in the next tutorial I'll be adding sounds for my levels. Here I have to use another process to add the sound for the game for different level, different sound for the different level, and concept is exactly the same but technique is different. So in the next tutorial I'll be showing you how to add different sound for the different levels. Okay, so I think you have learned something from this tutorial, and if you think this tutorial is helpful for you, please do subscribe me and put a lot of comments, share this video, and that's it. Assalamu alaikum.